How is this running like that? Because my friend said that it didn't work in this direction. Unless something happens. There's my chateau. 4 Seasons. That'll be up later today, and then this will come back up, but with a down rod from this fan. Yeah, I took the pull chain off of this because, yeah, I didn't have one. I mean, it technically did, but it just didn't have a little thing on the end of it. Huh. How's it working in this direction? Because I thought it didn't work. The medium's literally the same. Oh gosh, it's wobbling. Very slow fan. It's pretty wobbly though.